Hey everybody, it's Janita back again with another gardening video. Well, I am doing an update on my snake plant cuttings that I started February 9th, 2018. Sorry for the shadow, you guys. But look, this one, you see the roots on this snake plant cutting? This was not placed in water. This, I don't know, I don't think I mentioned that I put some in dirt and some in water. Well, this snake plant cutting has been in the dirt for 6 months, like the ones that I started. I put these snake plant cuttings in the dirt February 9th, the same time that I put some in the water February 9th. And as you guys can see, I didn't think it was growing, but I just pulled this up out of the dirt. And you can see, I think I have about 3 of them that are still alive. I put quite a bit of them in there. A bunch of them died from the mildew, or should I say, the plant was deteriorating from the water. But some of them made it. As you can see, the roots on this baby. And there's the top of it where I cut it. You can see where I cut it. This shade on this video, but sorry about that. But anyway, I just wanted to give an update. So if anybody had joined me in doing this, it took 6 months. 6 months for this to root. It could have been earlier because I just pulled it out the dirt today, which is what? August the 4th? Yeah, August the 4th, I believe, 2019. So you guys, it can work. I guess it depends on the environment, temperature, and plant food too, I guess, because I did put a little, what is it, that stinky stuff, dang, I can't even think of the name of it. Oh, I can't think of the name of that stinky plant food. But anyway, I'll put it in the description box. But anyway, just wanted to share with you guys my snake plant results. Yes, I have good results. My plant cuttings did make it in the dirt, but it took 6 months. My estimation, because I didn't pull them out earlier. Today is the only day I pulled them out, so I'll just say 6 months it took to start growing some of these roots. So I have success with water, with the snake plants in the water, and success with the snake plants in the dirt. Hope you guys are getting a good look, because this is a shadow. Sorry about that, but that's it. That's all. That's everything. And welcome any new subscribers, and welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.